Little Light Bible, making children understand Bible better.
Hello, kids. Praise the Lord for New Week. How are you all? Are you ready to learn Genesis chapter 3? Let's start. This is the Garden of Eden. God made it full of beautiful trees and animals. God told Adam and Eve, "You can eat from any tree, but not from one special tree." A sneaky snake came and talked to Eve. It wanted her to break God's rule. Eve took the fruit and ate it. She gave some to Adam, and he ate it too. Suddenly, they felt scared and hid from God. They knew they had disobeyed. God called for them. He knew what they did. Adam and Eve told the truth. Because they broke the rule, they had to leave the garden. It was a sad day. Even though they made a mistake, God still loved them very much.
Thanks for watching. See you with next chapter. Keep praying and grow in faith. Like, share, and subscribe to spread the good news to more children.